All right, folks, welcome back to another great episode of Opali Presents Know Your Pros. I am staring right in the mirror today. I got my friend Henry Sanchez as my guest today. Henry runs SoCal Solar Panel Cleaning Company. They're a solar panel washing business based out of Rancho Cucamonga, and they serve clients all over Rancho Cucamonga, San Bernardino County, Riverside County, LA County, you name it. Henry, thank you for joining me, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Of course, of course. Well, I think of you as sort of the guru of solar panels. You do commercial work, you do residential work. You've got commercial robots that you have running in your business and that you sell to people who are looking to do this. But, you didn't start at the top. There's a story here. So why did you decide to get into business for yourself, and why in solar panel cleaning?
Well, I've always been an entrepreneur. So I used to sell on Amazon, and I used to teach people how to make money selling on Amazon. And then eventually that started fading away. Amazon started changing a few things. And then I decided I want to get into another business. So the solar industry was just booming here in California in 2018. And I decided that I want to get into the solar field. So I took a trip to Australia, and they're about 15 years ahead of time in solar than the United States.
Mm.
So I learned a lot when I was up there. I was up there for 3 months in Brisbane and Queensland. And so I was just touring Australia. It was beautiful. Actually, I didn't even want to come back, to be honest. But my visa said 3 months and 3 months, and that was it. So I brought the knowledge back to the United States, and I said, I'm going to get into the solar panel cleaning business. So before the plane even landed here in LA, I was already gung-ho. I already was looking around. First thing I did was search the Los Angeles area and search for solar panel cleaners, and none came up.
Wow.
Just window washers and pressure washer guys, auto detailing guys came up, but specifically for solar panel cleaning, not one person came up that was a solar panel company.
Well, what's crazy to me is that, when you think of the tools that, pressure washing guys have or window cleaning guys have, you might think, okay, yeah, that's exactly what you might put on a solar panel. But after talking to you and watching a lot of the videos that you have on YouTube, that information could not be further from the truth. You've got some really high tech, stuff that cleans these panels, right?
Right. That's what separates us from everybody else, because I've invested in products. I've invested in equipment that was specifically made for cleaning solar panels. And you got guys out here that like clean windows, and they'll use equipment that's, a couple $100 and what have you. And then they'll go out there and just scrub the solar panels, and you call it solar panel cleaning. Well, I took it one step further. I had purchased equipment from Europe. That equipment was roughly around $7,000 to $8,000 each, and that was specifically made for the solar panels. So when I started using that equipment, I went onto YouTube. I'm big on YouTube. A lot of people follow me on YouTube, and I started teaching people about this business. Well, I ended up pretty much getting over 200 and something people into the business, the solar panel cleaning business, after they've been watching my videos from all over the United States and Europe and Germany, and they follow me from everywhere. So I wanted to take it one step further. I was looking at robotics, and I had taken a look at robotics. I had contacted a company up in Germany. It's called Solar Clino. They knew who I was because they've seen me all over YouTube, and they were pretty happy with the fact that I was interested in distributorship for them. So in order for me to become a distributor for them, I wanted to try out the product. So I ended up purchasing a robot. A robot's roughly around $37,000 to $40,000 a piece.
Wow.
And
Oh,
but you can pretty much, do anywhere in the neighborhood of 8,000 to 9,000 solar panels a day just with that particular product. Well, when I had purchased my brushes that were good $7,000, $8,000, I could do 900 to 1,200 panels per day. Well, I started picking up a lot of commercial accounts because they were interested in my equipment. And so they asked me to put in bids. I put in bids and I started working for Target, for Kohl's, Costco, FedEx, to name a few. And those particular that industry has well over 5,000 solar panels on top of their roof, keep their buildings going. And it was easy for me to go out there and get these types of jobs. Well, I just started showing that on YouTube, and people were obviously interested in commercial, and so I do residential at the same time. But
right. Yeah, I mean, your business is blowing up on the commercial side, but you're still doing those residential jobs when you can. But
every day.
yeah, of course. I always think, if you're cleaning a solar panel, you got to use the right equipment and you got to talk to the right businesses. And Henry Sanchez, in my mind, I mean, like the name Henry and solar panels synonymous to me at this point.
Right.
You wouldn't wash your TV with a paper towel covered in bacon grease. I mean, same way you wouldn't clean your solar panel with anything less than what Henry has at his business. So Henry, we are out of time. I got to wrap this up, but for our viewers out there watching, where can they find SoCal Solar Panel Cleaning Company?
Well, all you have to do is do a search on Google, and you'll find me. I have quite a few reviews here. I think 87 reviews and counting, and that's just on Google, all 5-star. We take care of each one of our customers. You can also find me on YouTube or my website. It is SoCalSolarPanelWashing.com. My company is SoCal Solar Panel Cleaning Company. And so if you want to do a search, you can find me there. My phone number is listed there. You could just simply give me a call, and then, we can book our appointments. I have quite a few crews that go out and clean the panels, and we stay busy. We also do other services like bird proofing, which is keeping pigeons from underneath the solar panels themselves and destroying the solar panels. That's another service, and window washing and commercial window washing also. So
beautiful. Well, folks, find all of Henry's offerings in the description. I've got his website plugged in down there. So is his phone number. But for that has been another edition of Opaleye Presents Know Your Pros. Henry, thank you again for being our guest, man. It's been great.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure.
Know Your Pros.